how to boost my Wi-Fi on Android. So if you want to boost your Wi-Fi on your Android, then you just need to simply go with your Wi-Fi, go with more Wi-Fi settings, and here you need to go with settings, which is on the right side, and here you need to go with the pencil shaped icon, which is on the top right, and you need to go with advanced options and go with the IP setting, go with static, and then enter your IP address, which will be 192.168.1.26, and then your gateway, which will be the exact one, which is right here, and your network prefix length will be 24, and your DNS, you just need to simply enter the DNS as 1.1.1.1, and the other DNS, second DNS, would be 1.0.0.1, and after that go with save, which is here, and that's it. Now it will boost your Wi-Fi on your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.